Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Mo. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: credit scores. They play a crucial role in our financial lives, yet many find them mysterious. Today, we're demystifying credit scores and sharing practical tips on how to build and maintain good credit. But before we dive in, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial tips. Now, let's get started. Understanding credit scores. First things first, what is a credit score? Well, it's a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess the risk of lending money to you. The most common credit score range is 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. Example. Let's say you have a credit score of 750. That's generally considered excellent and makes it easier for you to qualify for loans with lower interest rates. On the flip side, if your score is 500, it may be more challenging to get approved for credit, and if you do, the interest rates may be higher. Factors affecting credit scores. Now, what factors influence your credit score? There are several, but the major ones include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and new credit. Let's break these down. Breakdowns. 1. Payment history. This is the record of your payments on credit accounts. 1. Paying bills on time is crucial for a positive payment history. 2. Credit utilization. This is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. 2. Aim to keep it below 30% to maintain a good score. 3. Length of credit history. The longer your credit history, the better. 3. It shows a track record of responsible credit use. 4. Types of credit. Having a mix of credit types, like credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your score. 5. New credit. Opening multiple new credit accounts in a short period can be seen as risky behavior and may lower your score. Tips for building and maintaining good credit. Now, let's talk about practical tips for building and maintaining good credit. These are actionable steps that anyone can follow. Tips with examples. 1. Pay bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. 1. A missed payment can have a significant impact on your score. 2. Keep credit card balances low. If your credit limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. 2. This demonstrates responsible credit use. 3. Regularly check your credit report. Review your credit report for errors and unauthorized accounts. 3. You can get a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. 4. Diversify your credit mix. Consider having a mix of credit types. 4. For example, having both a credit card and an installment loan. 5. Be cautious with new credit. Think twice before opening multiple new credit accounts. 5. Each application can slightly impact your score. Conclusion. And there you have it, demystifying credit scores. By understanding the factors that influence your score and following these practical tips, you can build and maintain good credit. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.